Slide 1. Welcome to the part 1 of this music lesson series. This series will discuss the music theory behind playing an instrument and improvising. It will mostly focus on guitar and piano. Part 1 will discuss the notes, the scales and the chords. Slide 2. First, let's discuss the notes. What are notes? Notes are waves with specific frequencies. In the Western music there are 12 notes which are separated by half a tone. There are 7 natural notes and 5 sharps or flats. The notes can be written with sharps or they can be written with flats. We obtain a sharp from natural notes by going down half a tone. We obtain a flat from natural notes by going up half a tone. Slide 3. Now let's discuss scales. Scales are groups of notes. One type of scales are the heptatonic major scales. They form groups of 7 notes which sound good together. Among the 7 notes, there is one main note around which the other 6 notes are centered. It is called the root. We say that the root of the major scale of C is the note C. To get the scale of a particular note, we need to skip certain notes and include others. The heptatonic major scale is given by the shape inside the circle. To get the scale of a note, we need to rotate the shape until the red dot points to that note. For example, the scale of C sharp is obtained like this. Slide 4. Now let's discuss chords. There are multiple types of chords. The main chords which are used are the triads, a group of 3 notes. The chords that are discussed here are the major chords. The major chords are groups of 3 notes on the scale which sound the best with the root of the scale. Those notes always end up being the first, third and fifth notes of the scale. The example shows how to get the major chords. Slide 5. The other types of chords are the minor chords. They can be obtained by augmenting, flattening the second note of the corresponding major chords. The example shows how to get minor chords from major chords. Slide 6. The scales have been regrouped in a circle called the circle of the fifths. In this circle, 2 scales are adjacent when they share most of the notes. Example: the C scale has 6 of its 7 notes in common with F and G. This circle dictates what chords go well together. Also, although it may seem counterintuitive, A minor has its notes on the C major scale but C minor doesn't. That is why A minor goes better with C major than C minor does. Thank you for viewing this. Please check others of the series on how to apply this theory to the piano and to the guitar.